Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to maximize gas efficiency while you're driving around. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Check your tire pressure. If your tires are low on air, that means your car is creating more drag because more rubber is contacting the road. You should be able to check your driver's side door panel for the proper PSI for your tires. If you're in the market for new tires, get the narrowest tire that your rim will allow. By narrow, that means the first number in the tire size. For example, P215 by 6515, you want to focus on the 215 number. The 215 number represents the width of the tire. That's 215 millimeters of width. Make sure to change your spark plugs on the correct interval. As spark plugs get old, they don't produce as powerful and clean a spark, which means your car won't perform at top levels. Make sure you use the recommended manufacturer motor oil and change that on the correct interval as well. This will keep the motor turning smoothly. Change your fuel and air filters. If these filters are old and clogged with particles, the car won't run as efficiently as possible. Fuel won't be delivered at the proper rate, and the car can't breathe properly without enough air. Weight reduction. Us racing car guys are always looking for ways to reduce the weight of the car. Don't have a bunch of unnecessary items in your trunk or things laying on the floor just because you're too lazy to take them out. The more weight you make the engine tow, the more effort it has to put down to make the car move. Watch how you accelerate the car. If you have a lead foot, you make the car work harder from a dead stop than if you were to accelerate smoothly. Use cruise control on the freeway. The engine knows how to operate efficiently, so if you have a long freeway drive, let it do its thing. It'll be more efficient than you manually adjusting the gas pedal. If your passengers let you, roll down the windows on the street and avoid using the AC. As tested by Mythbusters, cars actually get better gas mileage on the street using the windows and better gas mileage on the freeway using the AC. If you're waiting for your next ride, don't let the car idle. Park and turn your car off until you get that next ping. There's an old myth that turning the car on and off in short cycles actually wastes more gas than idling, but that's not true. Cars today are so efficient that if you waste more than 10 seconds idling, you should turn your car off to save more gas. Get a credit card that has good gas rewards. Being a full-time driver, you know you're going to spend a lot of money on gas, so you might as well make some money off of those purchases. Use Gas Buddy or a gas app to find the best deals in your area. You can't be wasting time and gas to fuel up. If you can, fuel up in the morning. When the temperatures are colder, gas is actually more dense, which means that you'll actually get more gas filling up in the morning than if you were to fill up in the afternoon. Those are my best tips on how to maximize fuel efficiency. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.